I mean, difficult, but okay. So now we write this one using x. How to write? E theta x equivalent to e theta, right? So how to write? Integrate e 2 theta e to the power 2 theta. That means x. That means x. X square. Can right? Sine x d theta. Okay, we cannot anyhow write. Okay, so we have to figure out a way how to do it. How to replace this d theta. Okay, so now we know x is equivalent to. Always follow this step. They ask you to substitute, then go by integration by substitute. Okay, x equivalent to e theta. What's the next step? D theta. That means dx over dx over d theta. What's the answer? D theta. Very good. What is the next step? We need to find a way to substitute for this d theta. How to do it? So we make the d theta subject. D theta is equivalent to dx over e. Oh, sorry. Other way. We need to find a way to substitute. Oh, sorry. D theta. We want to find a way to substitute d theta, right? So d theta is equivalent to dx over e theta. Understand? This is integration by substitution. Okay. All right. Any question? They give you already a way to substitute. Usually, what is the letter they use in substitution? U. To make it slightly difficult for you, instead of U, they give you no x. Usually, the question given in x and then ask you to substitute using U. Now they give you the question in terms of theta and ask you to substitute using x. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. So now we go and replace this one here. Substitute here. Okay. So this one integrate e to the power 2 theta. Okay. Sine e theta. D theta we can write in terms of dx and dx over e theta, right? Then this is e to the power 2 theta. This is e theta. So you can basically cancel. So e theta. So there will be one e theta here. So now we can write e theta sine e theta dx, right? But this is not logically correct. Why? This is with respect to x. So now we can rewrite this one as x sine x dx. Understand? Oh, sorry. Not accepted. Do you understand the steps? Is integration by substitution. Okay? But the thing is, the confusion part is instead of u they give you x. Okay? In a conventional question, the question will look like this. Integrate e to the power 2x sin x dx, and they will ask, dx, then ask you to find u is equivalent to ex. Then ask you to find like that. This is the way we should have done it in our tutorial. But to make it slightly difficult and confuse you, they mess with the letters. Instead of x, they give you theta. Instead of u, they give you x. But the method is still the same. Okay? Do you understand? I know it's been tricky. Then this one, integrate x sin x. How to do this one?
Integrate individually
No, how to do it? Now this one, I do in another, okay, I do here. Integrate x sin x. How to do it? This one you should know. This one from tutorial. This one from, yes, very good. By, what is the method?
Which question you know? I don't know how to do. We not I don't know.
I believe I can get the exact same question. You see this one, it's very similar to, you see now the question is very similar to this one. Like a tutorial question, you understand, right? Okay, we do it just for practicing integration by parts. Okay? How to do it? What's the first step? What is U? What is the priority? L-I-A-T-E, right? So algebra and trigo. Algebra come above trigo. So your U is X. What's the next step? What is the integration equation? We write here. U dv is equivalent to uv minus integration v du. This one no need to memorize. Is in the
A1 to B1 is 61.
It's in the math table. Okay. Here. U dv is equivalent to uv minus integration v du. Okay.
Any other question you guys have before? No, we just
Still 1 minute.
we don't do exam. Alright. That's what I'm doing just now.
Okay. So what are the things we need to find?
That's what I'm doing just now.
We need to find u. We need to find du. We need to find v. We need to find dv, right? U is x. Then from u we can find du.
I took a break.
Du over dx is 1. So that means du is equivalent to dx. Okay, then what is the next step? We have dv. What is dv? dv is sin x dx, right? Because if this is u, this is dv. Okay?
I'm actually going to start A3. It's a good method. Yes, a good method. I'm so glad it's good. Start
Alright?
What?
So now dv,
Saturday.
sorry, not du, sorry, dv.
How?
My bad. dv is sin x dx. So what else we need? We have u, we have du, we have dv. We need to find v. How to find v? v is integrate dv. So that means integrate sin x dx. When you integrate sin x, what's the answer? Minus cosine x. Good. Okay. Good boy. Yeah, thank you. Then after that, plug back to the equation. What is the equation? Blah 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 blah. Okay, so u is x. Your v is minus cosine x. Remember, it is not x minus cosine x. Okay, it's x multiplied by minus cosine x. Minus integrate. What is v? v is minus cosine x.
So I know for the first step.
Then your du is equivalent to du is equivalent to sorry. du is equivalent to dx. dx. So we can rewrite as minus x cosine x minus minus plus integrate cosine x dx. So minus x cosine x integrate cosine x is integrate cosine x. Cosine x integrate. That's it. That's your answer. Understand? This question is difficult because you have to use integration by substitution to simplify the question and then use by part. Instead of they giving you this one as the question. Instead of instead of they would have given like this, right? If you want e to the power
I can't do
theta
every time, bro. Every time.
sine e theta e theta. We can given like this, right? Instead of giving like this, this one you can directly do integration by parts. But to make it more difficult, they added one more step to make using substitution, make it simpler. Then we use by parts. Okay? Okay? This is no. Why am I telling you this? If you look at last 2 to 3 year paper, this question is not straightforward, but the pattern is there. Either you use substitution to simplify and use by parts, or by parts and then you need to simplify, rearrange a bit. You understand? Question A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, D1 is straightforward. Just no 2 steps, just 1 step to finish. Understand? Question B2 and B3. Pattern is the same, very similar, but just 1 step is not enough. You need to use 2 steps. That means by parts first, then use by substitution first, then use by parts. B4 is totally out of scope. This one is very low. The whole is 1, 2, and then 2.